Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix friends and family option is not showing up on PayPal. First, check the type of account you are using. This is one of the most common reasons for this problem. The sender must have a personal account. If you are using a business account, the friends and family option may not appear because business accounts are designed for commercial payments. The same applies to the receiver. The recipient must also have a personal account. If either account is set to business, the option may be missing. To fix this, you can contact PayPal support and request to downgrade the account from business to personal. Next, check if the feature is available in your country. Friends and family payments are not supported everywhere. In some countries, such as Russia or Iran, this option is not available for domestic transfers. To confirm this, go to the PayPal website and check the global or regional features page. Look for personal payments in your region. Another important step is to update your app or browser. If you are using the PayPal mobile app, make sure it is updated to the latest version. Newer versions fix bugs and improve features. If you are using a browser, try clearing your cache and cookies. You can also open PayPal in incognito mode to see if the issue is caused by stored data. If none of these steps work, contact PayPal customer support for further help. Thanks for watching.